Hi, Chef Dagan here in the Beef is What's Been in our Culinary Center, funded by the Beef Checkoff. This recipe, cube steak with zoodles. It's blackened cube steak, vegetable noodles. It's lean, it's protein packed, it's delicious, it's quick, it's simple. Let's get started. We're gonna take these cube steaks and add some cooking spray, just a little bit to help the blackening seasoning stick. We'll try to get both sides. You can already tell how tender these steaks are. These steaks are great because they're minute steaks. That's literally what they're called. We're gonna add a little bit of blackening on here. We're gonna add a little bit of salt to the steak. All right, those are good to go. We're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to our pan. And we'll go ahead and start these. We're gonna cook the majority of this steak on one side, get some nice caramelization on there. I like to kind of move the pan around a little bit as we're cooking. I have my vegetable turning slicer here. So we're gonna make sure we cut this so it fits in here nicely. And then you gotta kind of apply pressure and just turn away, and there we have it. We have some beautiful vegetable noodles. As our steaks cook over here, you get that nice aroma of blackening and seared beef. So we're just gonna take those, and we'll take some zucchini. There we go. Let's see. And if it starts to get clogged like that, just clean it out. There we go. All right, our steaks are looking good. We got some nice caramelization on there, a little blackening. They're pretty much almost cooked. We're just gonna flip them, cook them for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna set them in my pan and put them in my warming oven while I make my noodles. All right, we have our zoodles ready. We're gonna go ahead and have some tomatoes. Then we're just gonna go ahead and saute some garlic. It's just a really simple, easy, delicious recipe. We got there, we got some basil. All right, we're gonna add garlic. Just get that swirling around a little bit, get that cooked up. Smells great. We're gonna add our zoodles. Let that garlic cook out a little bit. Add our zoodles. Go ahead and toss in some tomatoes. We got some pepper. Still got a little bit of the blackening spice in the bottom of the pan from the steak. Okay, these don't take very long to cook. We're just gonna cook them so they become nice and tender. Keep our pan moving around for the heat. Okay, we'll let that cook for just a minute. Then we're gonna take a lemon here. We're gonna add just a little bit of zest. Keep layering in those flavors as we're cooking. We're gonna add a little bit of basil in there. And then we'll do a nice little squeezer of lemon too. Make it a little saucy. There you go. Steaks are nice and rested. My favorite time, plate up, right? We have our zoodles. We're gonna make them, we're gonna use our carving fork here and make it somewhat fancy. There we go, nice little pile of zoodles. Let's get some of these tomatoes in there, a little bit of the juice. I got my steaks that are nice and warm still. Perfect. Okay, I got a little bit of basil going on there, left over. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And that's it. There you have it, cube steak with zoodles. Delicious recipe. When you try this recipe, leave comments below. For more inspiration, go to beefwithwhat'sfordinner.com and we'll see you at the next one.